It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be your little lullaby. Help you fall asleep at night. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to grow up. 'Cause with you the future seems so bright. Won't you stay here by my side? I want to be selfish with you. I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear. You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you. It doesn't matter what's around us, 'cause baby, you've got me blind too. All those other people, all those other people, you're my home in the middle of all those other people. I'm resting my head on your shoulder. You're keeping a tight grip so bittersweet. Is this too good to be true? You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you. It doesn't matter what's around us. 'Cause baby, you've got me blind to all those other people. All those other people. All those other people. You know you're the reason I'm home in the middle of all those other people. All those other people. All those other people. Other people. You know you're the reason I'm home in the middle of all those other people. Other people, yeah. Other people, yeah. Other
Waking up feeling like it's gon' rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Sorry if I'm not in the mood. I don't really have a good excuse. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something
got bad habits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it, and I don't think you'd want to. I distance myself so it doesn't hurt, but I'm still in pain either way. Don't know why you give me the time of day, 'cause I don't think I'm worth the wait. No, I don't think you should get to know me, because you're feeling lonely. You don't want these problems, I'm overcomplicated. It's hard for me to trust again after what I went through. You say you want me, but I don't wanna believe you, so I don't reply when you message me. I'm trying to end it before this begins. I already see what's going to happen. I think you deserve somebody better than me, so I pull away because you'll leave eventually. You'll leave eventually. Cause I've got so much baggage, I don't have it together. I'm flawed and stuck in my ways. I get so mad easily, I can't agree to disagree. I don't admit when I'm wrong. You have no clue, I ruin everything good. I